in the blue misty mountains up high. Even the oldest great-great-grandfather could not recall a time when she was not up there, sewing away day after day. What are you doing? What are you doing, Morgan? Okay. Here and there, whenever the sun warmed the earth, it was said it was the prettiest quilts anyone had ever seen. The blues seemed to come from the deepest part of the ocean. What are you doing, girls? Please. The whites from the northernmost snows. The greens and the purples from abundant wildflowers. Okay, Maureen, this is not for you. I am reading you the story. The reds, oranges, and pinks from the most wonderful sunsets.
Excuse me.
Next page.
Off of me. Ow. No. There you go. No. Hey. My tail. My tail. But I still feel more.
What is that, Dearman?
He thinks it's a ball. It is a ball, but he's holding one of the strings. Wow, it feels funny.
Oh, Dearman, you're losing your pants.